Welcome back to the barn, everybody. If you caught last week's video, which is rolling right behind me on the TV, you know we're making some real progress on the hardtop build. Now, today's video was supposed to start with a smooth transition into laying down that next round of fiberglass, but it's been a couple of weeks since I picked up the camera. Life got in the way, and I got a little out of practice. Long story short, I knocked out a ton of work, looked down and realized I never hit the record button. But hey, life happens. Don't worry, you didn't miss the destination, just a little bit of the process. So the game plan for today, first, we're gonna sand down that expanding foam to get our base shape locked in. Then I'm going to walk you through how that missing round of fiberglass went down, smooth out these rough edges, and get the whole surface leveled out. Everything today is about getting that top flat and dialed in, so we're 100% ready for that final outer layer. So grab a drink, embrace the dust, and let's get to work. All right, so we can get some fiberglass laid in on this thing today. Hopefully, after we do some shaping on it, clean this up, make sure that it's a pretty good fiberglass fit. I know I'm gonna end up having to do some body work over the top of this, but this is just to get this thing one solid piece again. All right, so we can get some fiberglass laid in on this thing today. Hopefully, after we do some shaping on it, clean this up, make sure that it's a pretty good fiberglass fit. I know I'm gonna end up having to do some body work over the top of this, but this is just to get this thing one solid piece again. Hey guys, slight YouTube problem on that. I forgot to hit the record button, so I'm gonna go with the snap. All right, you guys can see here, we've actually got a lot of sanding work we need to do. Want to get that bump out of it there. Got a lot to smooth out, same thing. We've got a little bump there. They don't want to smooth out, make that smoother. I do like the transition, kind of from the narrow to the wide, going down the back. And just a little bit, you know, we got to do have some sanding work we need to do. Just clean it up. And then we can start body work, at least on the top, and get this thing smoothed out so it's ready to go. I'm gonna set up some time lapse on this, some live video, and I'll see what I can make out of it. I think I'm getting into some of the fiberglass that I did before, and it's still not cured. I definitely used better stuff this time, the right stuff, so it's going to be nice to be able to go back and correct all that. Getting there, getting that bump out of there. Make that transition a little better. It's definitely more on this side to take down. All right, I think I'm gonna have to fix this when I do the body work on it. I'm gonna have to fill that in with some filler and then smooth it over. But the big bulge is out of the side where I wanted to get it out. So now I just need to do my random orbit and sand it all over, get it cleaned up and ready for body work. Though I'm probably gonna do another layer of fiberglass just over the whole thing, just to make sure that it's nice and sealed. I don't want any water coming through. And to fill in as many of these holes that I can.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Get ready for old man noises.
All right, so you guys saw that I flipped it over. I'm gonna take the belt sander and see if I can't clean up these window openings a little better. Oh, they're pretty jagged right now. So the next round of fiberglass that I want to do, I want this to be pretty much ready to finish out after I do some more expanding foam underneath. I want it to be ready to go. Ready to just do the final fiberglass on it, carve out what I don't want, carve out what I don't need, do the final fiberglass, and then, you know, be ready to sand and paint and sand, prime, and paint this thing. So I will take my 40 grit and let's cut some window openings. You gotta be careful with the 50 grit or the 40 grit because it will move a lot of material quick, fast, in a hurry. So just be careful with that if you decide that you do this. Warning, it will move some material. Let me get you guys in here, show you exactly what I'm doing. So as you guys can see, I used the expanding foam inside. It expanded. So what I'm doing over here is I'm cleaning this up. So when I get some more fiberglass, I can mat all this in and call it a day. I can just smooth this stuff out and go from there. It is definitely getting there, guys. It is getting there. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do some of this off camera, and then I'm gonna come back with you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, you can see what I did off camera. I went ahead and smoothed some of this out. It's gonna need another round of expanding foam before I put the fiberglass mat down. And there is some spots that I want to clean up a little bit more. I want to smooth that out so it's a good transition to the top, similar to the way I have this one. So see how smooth the transition this one is, and then this one is definitely not. So I want to get that smoother. Another round of expanding foam, fiberglass mat, and then we're going to be priming and painting this thing, guys. Hey everybody, welcome back to the bar here at the barn. Time to knock the dust out of places I didn't know I could get it. That was a lot of work in this video. A lot of smoothing, a lot of sanding, a lot of dust everywhere. But as good as it's looking right now, we're still not completely out of the woods. The game plan moving forward on the outside of the top, we've got to do that next layer of fiberglass, lay that down, smooth it out, get it more structurally sound. Then, and only then, can we even think about moving to primer and paint. But before we do that, I want to go ahead and finish the inside. So that's another round of fiberglass mat, another round of expanding foam, getting it all smoothed out inside of there. I just want to primer and paint this thing one more time. So yeah, there was a lot of work. Cheers. Once again, we're at the bar. Hope you guys are enjoying this. Thanks everybody for staying. It really means the world to me. Do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. Let's get this word out here. I want this to be a channel that everybody wants to go see. I'm looking forward to it. Thanks again. Take it easy. I'll see you in the next one.